As a part of the MTGA remote access control product range, we offer a variety of solar-powered access control solutions. These range in span from small personnel access gates to 12-metre large span access control specific for large haul trucks. Although our support platform is agnostic to the supported gate, we have partnered our platform with both Kamei and Siemens to deliver robust mine site ready solutions. Employing the MTGA developed ultrasonic safety system on every gate ensures no early closure on passing vehicles and ensures both vehicles and personnel are free from the operation zone. Control of the access gate can be via the MTGA in-vehicle RFID system to restrict access to only authorised vehicles and personnel or a standard handheld remote control. Utilising solar charge with long-life battery backup means a reliable power platform to ensure continuous access control. Of course, all MTGA products come with our standard safety features and our easy-to-deploy setup. Contact us for more information on these products or to find out more about our new Arctic Boom Gate series.